Well, I had a lovely night at this park up, totally quiet, and the lake now is like a mirror. It's not a breath of wind. It's 10 to 9, and the sun's warming up. Really hate to leave, but I guess I should, because we're going to get going. So we're going to make tracks now, heading down towards the Cairngorms. Well, it would be churlish to come this way and not come to a distillery, so I was just passing this one, so I thought, why not drop in? So this is Balblair. Can't say I've heard of it, but we'll go in and have a look, see. Well, having come out of the distillery, I've just passed the Glenmorangie distillery, and going round the town of Tain, I saw a sign to Tain Forest Walk, so I thought that would be an ideal spot to stop for a coffee and take Molly for a little walk in the woods. So we'll see what it's like. It's very pretty up here with all the yellow gorse. So we'll see what it's all about. Well, this is the car park. Right in the woods. So it looks good. It's a forest trail. So yeah, have a cup of coffee and then we'll go for a walk. Well, I've had my cup of coffee, so we'll go for a walk now. Just walking up here, and there's masses of these all along the path. The bilberries, unfortunately, they're not ripe enough to eat yet, but they look nice. There's masses of them everywhere. There's another huge clump here. Still climbing up through the woods, and it's come to a clearing. There's a lovely view down there over the Moray Firth, with I think probably the Cairngorms in the far background with snow on. But we'll continue up the track here. Here we are, right at the very, very top. It's a nice viewpoint. So from here we go downhill back to the car park. The last stage now, down through the wood to the car park. And then we'll get back in the van and carry on heading south. So we'll go through Inverness and then find somewhere, as usual, nice and remote if I can, to stay the night. So we'll carry on. So near Loch Inch now. So around here somewhere is a possible park up. So we'll see what transpires. Loch Inch out to the right. There's an outdoor centre here. Ooh, dry ski slope even. Here we are. This is it. Feshie Bridge. Oh, this looks nice. So we'll be all right here, I think. We'll go down the end here, I think. Right. Oh, I think this is a perfect little spot. Ooh, got a few butterflies. So yeah, we'll stay here tonight. Let's get some lunch on the go. Oh, we've had lunch. Well, I've had lunch, and we're now going for a walk down to the river. Only there's a path that leads down to the river, so we'll go this way. Another van's just turned up, but yeah, Molly's gone to investigate. So that's the car park, and this is the path down to the river. I think, although it seems to be going up and the river's down, but we'll see what we see. Oh, this looks hopeful. Just by the side of the road there, but the path looks to be going down towards the river. It's the river down there. It's very quiet, apart from the sound of the river and the bird song. Yeah, interesting looking bridge down here. Yeah, kids jumping in the water. Yeah, what's that? Hey, come back. Oh, God, saying hello to everybody as usual. Now don't go down there, you'll fall in. Go on then, in you go. Good for a dog, but I'm told it's freezing cold, so I don't think I will. It is a great spot there. So it's called the River Feshie. As we make our way back down to the car park, I think that's about it for today. I'll got a book to read, and I'll probably have a bit of a snooze as well. So that's it for Thursday.